Hello, welcome to Daddy's Kitchen. Today we're cooking Cajun Jambalaya. Stay tuned. All right, let's talk ingredients. Today we have 1 yellow onion, celery, garlic, 4 cloves, 1½ bell pepper, 1 fresh tomato, green onions, 1 pound of beef sausage, 3 bay leaves, a ½ pound of fresh shrimp, 2 cups of rice, chicken. These are chicken thighs, and as we prep, we'll actually debone the chicken. And then my special blend here of spices. So we have crushed red pepper, parsley, pepper, Creole seasoning. Don't forget the black pepper. Never forget the Tony Satchers. And then we have chicken broth. All right, let's get started. Okay, we're nearly done with our prep. Now we want to work on our shrimp. So basically, with the shrimp, we want to remove the shell and also devein. Okay, so you'll notice now this one, some of these may already be deveined, but basically there's a little vein down the middle there we want to remove. Okay, so we take that out. Remove the shell. You notice that they have a gray tint to them. Once we cook the shrimp, they'll turn orange. Like I said, these have already been deveined. And we'll go ahead and finish this up. We'll be right back. All right, so we've completed all of our prep. Now let's begin by browning our sausage. So we'll be browning this on the medium to high heat. Want it to get good and brown on each side. Turn our fan on here. Once we brown the meat, the grease at the bottom, we'll use that to saute our bell peppers, celery, green onions, and onions. We'll let that brown for a minute. Okay, now that our sausages are good and brown, we want to remove it from the skillet, drain off the grease. Don't throw away that grease because we'll use that to saute our trio. Okay, our trio is, well, actually it's more than a trio. The trio plus 1. So we'll use that to saute our green onions. Well, actually those are bell peppers. Our onions. And our celery. Alright, and we'll go ahead and stir that in. And we also want to add in our green onions. At the same time, add the garlic. Now keep in mind that jambalaya is what we call a one-pot dish, but for visibility, I decided to include the skillet so you could see everything that's going on. When we begin to simmer with the rice, we'll include everything inside the 16-quart pot. But just so you can get a good visual of what we're doing here, I decided to use this cast iron skillet. We want to add our meat back in. And this is starting to give off a really good aroma. All those juices chiming in there. At this time, start adding in our seasoning. That look good? And from the sassafras. Okay, now that our vegetables have cooked down really well, we've added our seasoning. Now we want to add in our rice. And the rice will begin to cook at this point and absorb all the seasonings. Look at that. You want your rice to be totally consumed with that rich color, that brown. You see that at the bottom there, all the drippings? You want to utilize all of that. Make sure you mix it in a little bit. All of your rice should turn the color vegetables and your mixture. Keep stirring. Now we're ready to add our stock. Don't be alarmed, that's doing exactly what it's supposed to do. We're getting ready for the simmer. Stir that in. Also want to add our fresh cut tomatoes. Now you can also use canned tomatoes here, but I just wanted to add just a fresh touch there. I want to add in our bay leaves. good there. That's going to bring it up to a really good simmer. Okay. As you can see here, my skillet's a little bit small, so at this point we're going to begin the transfer process of moving it into our big quart, 16 quart pot. But normally we would just use one pot for the entire meal. Okay, so we've added a little oil to our pan, and we want to brown our chicken. You'll notice that I've taken special care to sort of separate what we do with the vegetables from what we do with the chicken, just for sanitary reasons. But this is going to take a minute to sort of brown. All right, now our chicken is nice and brown. And notice that as I brown the chicken, I added seasonings as well. So my ponicatras and also my Creole special seasonings. So basically what we want to do here is add this to the pot. Let's take a look and see what the pot looks like now. Does that look delicious? So our rice is beginning to swell. Rice is beginning to swell. It's looking real good. Okay, and what we want to do now is go ahead and add our shrimp. And our shrimp just going to sit on top there and just cook in. Okay. All right, so we'll be back momentarily. All right, so here's our jambalaya. See the shrimp in there, the rice nice and tender, all the vegetables collectively are there. Okay, get one more spoon there. You'll notice that in the pot you'll still see bay leaves. Okay, we don't need the bay leaves, we'll just strip those out. And so we see our sausage, our vegetables, our shrimp, and we have chicken in there as well. So let's do a good quick taste test and see how things go. All right, now for the moment we've been waiting for. Cajun Louisiana Jambalaya. Let's give it a try. So you'll notice we have the sausage, a little bit of the chicken, the shrimp right there. Oh yeah. So sauteing all those vegetables in there, along with the meat, and at every layer, we're adding seasonings. So when we add the vegetables, excellent. A nice spicy flavor, but it's not too overwhelming with spices. Great recipe. You must try it. Thanks again for watching Daddy's Kitchen. Louisiana Cajun Jambalaya. Give it a shot. Also, would like for you to subscribe to my channel. If you like what you see, tell others about it. Have a good one. Bye-bye.